Hello students, welcome you to this session. In today's class, we are going to start chapter number 5, two-dimensional analytical geometry. One of the very simple chapter. Analytical geometry itself very simple, right? You have studied already from lower classes, you are studying that, right? So here first we are going to study circles. Normally, analytical geometry means what? Distance between 2 points, then slope, equation of straight line, before that area of a triangle, right? All these we study. And here that formula also we need. We'll be using even distance formula we are going to use. But mainly we are going to study circles. How to find equation of a circle. 11th standard you studied pair of straight lines, right? Pair of straight lines. A general second degree equation. You are remembering the general second degree equation? Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. That is the general second degree equation. That represents a pair of straight line if a condition satisfied. Okay, that you studied in 11th standard. In 12th standard, the same general second degree equation represents a circle if it satisfies two conditions. But both the conditions are very simple conditions. Listen carefully. Now let us see that one. Circles, the general second degree equation. This is the general second degree equation, right? Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. It's the general second degree equation. Represent a circle only if first condition a equal to b. A equal to b. See what is a? A is the coefficient of x square. B is the coefficient of y square. Both must be equal. So ax square, by square, both a and b must be equal. That is 5x square, then you must have 5y square. Okay. So a and b are equal. This a must be equal to this b. And h equal to 0. H equal to 0. H equal to 0 means this term won't come. Because 0 into something is what? 0. So one thing you remember, in the equation of a circle, there won't be any xy term. Xy term won't be there. X square, y square terms will be there, but the coefficients are what? Same. If the coefficients are same, you can make them 1. Suppose 5x square plus 5y square, you can divide everything by 5. You can make it as x square plus y square. Then you have x, y constant, other 3 terms you will have. So the general equation of a circle is, this is the general equation of circle. See, xy term is not there, right? Xy term, because h equal to 0, right? So xy term is not there. And x square, y square coefficients are equal, right? So ax square, suppose it is 3x square plus 3y square. Then you have other x term, y term, constant. Everything you divide by 3. So this become 1, this become 1. Here all by 3 will come, right? So you can make in this form x square plus y square. The remaining 3 terms, 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0. This is the standard equation of circle. What's the equation? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. In general second degree equation, you will have 6 letters. A, B, C, F, G, H, right? But here you have only 3 letters. What are 3 letters? G, F, and C. G, F, and C. What is G? Half of x coefficient. X coefficient, you take it as 2g, you take half of that. If it is 10x, then what is g? 4. Sorry, 5. 10x. If it is 8x, 4, right? Half of x coefficient, that is g. F is half of y coefficient, and c is the constant term. But before identifying, you make sure x square, y square coefficients are 1. They may be equal. Sometimes they give 5x square plus 5y square. You divide by 5. You may ask, sir, suppose 5x square and 3y square, what to do, right? They won't give like that. It is not a circle, right? If it is a circle, x square, y square coefficients must be equal. Then you can make it as 1, right? Only 3 letters. What are which 3 letters? G, F, and C. What is G? Half of x coefficient. What is F? Half of y coefficient. And C is the constant term. Once you know these 3 letters, G, F, C, using these 3 letters, you can find center and radius of a circle. So 2 more formula we are going to study. Center, the formula minus G minus F. center. It is minus g minus f, and radius equal to root of g square plus f square minus c. Everything inside the root. So 3 letters you identify, G, F, C. Once you know G, F, C, you can find center and radius. What is center formula? Minus G minus F, and radius is root of G square plus F square minus C. Theory part you learn thoroughly. Today I am going to teach only the theory part. Just 1 or 2 sums I am going to teach. Next class fully sums. In 2 classes we can finish circles. So you must be thorough with the theory part. See what are the things I taught so far. A general second degree equation represents a circle under 2 conditions. What are the 2 conditions? A equal to B. Try to understand what is A, what is B. Coefficient of x square equal to coefficient of y square. That's the first condition. Second condition, h equal to 0. That means there won't be any xy term. Okay, that is the first result we studied. Then we studied general equation of a circle. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. From that you can find 3 letters G, F, C. Once you know G, F, C, you can find center and radius. What are the formula? Center, what's the formula? Minus G minus F. What is radius formula? Root of G square plus F square minus C. Now I am going to teach the next set of results. How to find equation of a circle. Now what we studied, if the circle is given, how to find center and radius, right? But now, how to find equation of a circle? Here I am going to teach you 2 formula. Depends on what they give. Suppose if I ask you, what's the formula to find slope? What do you say? Some of you are thinking tan theta. Some of you are thinking y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, right? Some of you may think minus a by b. So to find slope, we have different formula, right? Depends on what they give. So same way, to find equation of a circle, we have 2 formula is set. So it depends on what they give. In the first case, they give center and radius. Center and radius. Center is given. Suppose for a circle, so I am taking a circle. Say for this circle, center is given. So I am taking the center. Say this is the center, h comma k. Center is h comma k, and the radius is r units. If you know center and radius, then the formula x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. Listen again. The center is h comma k. Then if it is h, you write here minus h. X minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. R is the radius. If the radius is 5, you write 5 square 25. Suppose the center is 2 comma minus 3 and the radius is 5 units. Can you tell me what's the equation? This is our h, this is our k. X minus h2 the whole square plus y minus k. What is k? Minus 3. So minus plus 3. The whole square equal to r square, 5 square 25. Then you know how to expand it, right? A plus b the whole square and a minus b the whole square. So here sometimes they won't give the radius. Instead of that, what they give, they give center. They give center and center is given. A point on the circumference they give. They give a point on the circumference. Can you find radius? Yes. Distance between the center and the point on the circumference. That is what? Radius. So you can use distance formula. Remembering what is distance formula? Forgot. Root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Everything we use. What we study the lower classes we need. So using distance formula, we can find the radius. Once you know radius, same type. Sometimes radius they give 2 diameters. Center is not given. So please listen, one formula, but what type of questions they can ask? Direct question they can ask, they will give center and radius. Another case I said, they won't give radius. Center they give a point on the circumference. So you can find the radius using that. Okay? Distance formula you can use it. Now what I am telling, radius is given, 5 unit. Center is not given, but they are telling 2 of the diameters are, they give 2 equations. You know where the diameters intersect. For a circle, you draw 2 diameters and see where they meet. What is diameter? The line passing through center. When you draw two diameters, both the diameters meet at the center. So point of intersection of diameters is center. So how can you find point of intersection? Just solve it. Simultaneous equation. So algebra you are going to use here, right? So question can be asked in any form. So formula you study, but how you are going to apply that is much more important. So try to understand. Okay, so this is one method I taught, right? So here what they give? Center and radius. Here one particular case is there. Suppose the center is at the origin, 0, 0. Suppose the center is 0, 0. That is h is 0, k is also 0, 0, 0. Radius is r unit. Can you tell me what's the equation then? H is 0, k also 0. So this is 0, this is 0. So only x square plus y square equal to r square. Yes, that is the equation. X square plus y square equal to a square if the radius is a. If the radius is r, r square. Because here h, k, both the values are what? Zeros. So this is also a particular case of that only. So this is the first type. Here they give center and radius. Now let us go for the second type. In the second type, they won't give center, they won't give radius. Instead of that, what they give, they give the endpoints of diameter. They give endpoints of diameter. So you know what is diameter? It's a line passing through what? The center, right? So this is the diameter. For this diameter, they are giving the endpoints. So this is the diameter. I am taking the endpoints of the diameters as A and B. So here they give the coordinates of A, x1, y1, the coordinates of B, x2, y2. The endpoints of diameters are given. Center is not given, radius is not given, but extremities of the diameter are given. Then the equation is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. That's all. Very simple thing. Formula you study. From the question you can identify x1, y1, x2, y2, right? 2 points given. x1, y1, x2, y2. Write the formula, substitute. What's the formula? X minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. So these are the two formulas you have to study. Both the formula, what's the use? To find equation of a circle. So if they ask find the equation of circle, you see what is given. First type, they give center and radius. Sometimes they won't give directly, but you can find it, right? Sometimes they say the area is equal to, say, 20 pi. Then you know formula for area of a circle. What's the formula for area of a circle? Some of you may think it is 2 pi r. That is circumference, right? What is the area of a circle? Pi r square, yes. So pi r square equal to 20 pi, pi cancel, you can find r square and you can find r, right? So the question can be asked in any form. Two important things I said. One is if a point on the circumference is given, using distance formula you can find radius. Another one, if two diameters intersect, you can find the center, okay? Now the next one. Next what we study, condition for the line y equal to mx plus c to be a tangent to a circle. Suppose a circle is given. A circle is given here and a line is given. This is a circle x square plus y square equal to a square. By seeing this, you know what type of circle it is. Can you tell me the center for this circle? 0, 0. Very good. What's the radius? A unit, right? So this is one circle and a line is given. Y equal to mx plus c. Y equal to mx plus c. Now we want this line to be a tangent. Tangent means the line has to touch this, right? This line has to come closer to this. So it has to touch the line, touch the circle. Now the line become what? Tangent, okay? For that there is a condition. The line y equal to mx plus c to be a tangent to the circle or to touch the circle. Condition for the line to touch the circle. The condition is c square equal to a square into 1 plus m square. Take all these as formula. C square equal to a square into 1 plus m square. 3 letters are there. What are the 3 letters? A, M, C. How can you find A? From the circle's equation you can find A. Suppose if they give x square plus y square equal to 25, what is A square? 25. Then M and C. From where you can find M and C? From the line. So line they may give like this 2x plus 3y minus 7 equals 0. Something they give like this. But you reduce it into slope intercept form. Which form? Y equal to mx plus c. Then this is m and this is c. You can find that, right? Then you find both LHS and RHS. LHS is c square, RHS is a square into 1 plus m square. If both are same, you can say yes, this line touches the circle, or this line is a tangent to the circle. So this is the condition. Later we are going to study how to find length of the tangent, how to find equation of tangent. Some more formula we are going to study. So every formula try to understand for what we are using. So this is a condition for a line to be a tangent. What's the condition? C square equal to a square into 1 plus m square. Now please listen here. You know what is tangent line? Tangent line means it touches the circle at one point, right? Now I'm going to give a formula to find that point. At which point it touches? Tangent line means it touches at one point. So what is that point? That is called the point of contact. This particular point. So what is that point? am by root of 1 plus m square, comma minus a by root of 1 plus m square. So for objective question they can ask, or they can ask some 2 mark questions and also. Learn the formula, don't leave anything. Okay, next I'm going to teach how to find equation of tangent. How to find equation of tangent. So listen very carefully. In your book they given some formula to find what? Equation of tangent. So I'm going to teach in a very simple way how to find equation of tangent. So to find equation of tangent, just to remember, this for one you remember. X square you write it as x into x. Correct only, no? X square can be, actually there is a formula given. So I don't want to teach you the formula. I'm going to teach some easy method. So wherever you find equation of tangent, you can use this method. Okay, so very useful to you. Once you know equation tangent, you can find equation normal and all. I'll tell you later. Okay. So what's the method here, you know? So wherever x square comes, you write it as x into x. X into x is x square, right? One x you leave it, another x you make it as x1. So x square you write it as x1. Y square, can you tell me? Yes, y1. Y square is y into y, right? One y you write, another one you write y1. 2x, if you see somewhere 2x means x plus x. X plus x is 2x, right? So 1x you write as it is, another x you write it as x1. So tell me then 2y. Yes, y plus y1. Now you may ask, sir, suppose it is 6x, what to do, right? How can you write this 6x? I want 2x. So 6x first you write it as 3 into 2x, right? 3 2s are 6. That is 3 into that 2x can be written as x plus x. That is x plus x1. 8y. I want a 2y. Tell me then how can you write 8y? 4 into 2y. 4 into 2y. But no need to write that step. Directly write 4 into 2y. That 2y can be written as y plus y1. 10x, tell me quickly. 5 into 2x. X plus x1. Some of you are thinking now, if odd number comes, what to do, right? I know your mind. Okay, suppose it is 7x. Half of that, 3.5, don't write like that, okay? So you multiply by 2 and divide by 2. So divide by 2, 7 by 2, multiply by 2, 2 into that x. Are you able to understand? 7x we have, you multiply by 2, divide by 2. This 7 by 2 I am writing as it is, 7 by 2. This 2x, x plus x1. Are you able to understand? X plus x1. Now next you will say, tell me 3y. 3 by 2, right? Divide by 2, 3 by 2, multiply by 2. That is 2y. 2y can be written as y plus y1. Are you able to understand? I think now you can say very quickly now. Okay, please listen. This is what you have to understand. Okay, let us see again. X square. How can you write x square? x1. Y square. y1. 2x. X plus x1. 2y, y plus y1. 6x, 3 into 2x, right? That is x plus x1. 8y, 4 into 2y, that is y plus y1. Hope you understood. 10x, 5 into 2x, right? 5 into 2x. That 2x you write it as x plus x1. 7x, 7 by 2 into x plus x1. 3y, 3 by 2 into 2y, y plus y1. Hope you understood this. So this we are going to use in many places. Okay, so it will be very easy to use. So next time I won't teach all these things, so keep in your mind, okay? So when you do the sum, I'll explain more, okay? So next one is how to find length of the tangent. How to find length of the tangent. Previous one is equation of tangent. You have to be very careful. The previous one is equation of tangent. But now, length of the tangent. You know, from an outside point, you can draw how many tangents? 2 tangents. And both the tangents are of equal in length. You studied in 10th standard, right? Construction. Okay. So from an outside point, you can draw 2 tangents. Both the tangents are equal in length. How to find this length? So here, say this is the point, x1, y1. x1, y1 is a point and a circle is given, circle's equation. This is the equation of circle. What's the equation? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Then what is distance? So pt, I'm taking it as pt. But both the distances are same only, no? So you find only one. pt is equal to, see this is the formula. How to remember? Very simple method. You substitute the point in this left side. So the point is x1, y1, right? So wherever x comes, you put x1. For y, you put y1. Don't put equal to 0, only the left side, and you take square root of that. Okay, so listen here. Suppose if they give a point, they are giving, say, 2, 3. This is a point. Circle's equation, they are giving x square plus y square plus 8x minus 6y plus 9 equal to 0, something like that. What is the length of the tangent? So pt equal to root you put. So this is what you are going to write. But don't write x and y. Wherever x comes, you put 2, and for y, you put 3. Simplify, you'll get the answer. For the same question, can you tell me how to find equation of tangent? Equation of tangent. See, x square, you write it as xx1 plus y square, yy1 plus 8x, 4 into x plus x1 minus 6y minus 3 into y plus y1 plus 9 equal to 0. This is equation of tangent at x1, y1. Instead of x1, y1, they give some point. If they give 2 and 3, instead of x1, you put 2 and y1, you put 3. So two formula we studied in tangent. One is equation of tangent. Another one is length of the tangent. Length of the tangent means very simple thing. You substitute the point and take square root. Right side 0, that you leave it. Take all the terms to the left side. Now for x and y, you substitute the given point and you take root of that. That gives length of the tangent. Okay. Now next we are going to see position of a point. Suppose see a circle is given and a point is given. The point where it lies, sometimes the point may lie outside. Sometimes the point may lie inside. Sometimes the point may lie on the circle. So where the point lies, that next result, position of a point. Where the point. So here instead of pt, you find pt square. Pt square, pt you did now, right? Length of the tangent. You find length of the tangent here. So you find pt square. That means you don't need to take square root. To find the position of a point, you find pt square. That is, substitute the given point on the circle. You substitute, don't take square root. If you take square root, you will get length of the tangent, okay? So don't take square root. You find pt square. Now it's very simple. If it is positive, outside. Negative, inside. Equal to 0 on the circle. That's all. You find pt square. That is, substitute the point on the circle. Meaning, wherever x, y comes, you substitute the point. 2, 3 means x you put 2 and y you put 3. Don't take square root. That is pt square. If your answer is positive, suppose your answer is 27, positive, right? Greater than 0. You say the given point lies outside the circle. Suppose your answer is minus 2, Negative, less than 0. The point lies inside the circle. Suppose your answer is exactly equal to 0, you say the point lies on the circle. Are you able to understand this? Okay. So to find position, you find PT square. You find PT square if it is positive. If it is positive greater than 0, second one, positive greater than 0, you say it lies outside the circle. Negative lies inside the circle. And exactly equal 0 lies on the circle. Okay, so these things you study. And almost all the results we studied. Now we are going to teach the last one. Equation of a circle passing through the point of intersection of a line and the circle. See, one circle is given. This is a circle. This is a circle. And this is a line. So what we are going to find here? Equation of circle passing through the point of intersection of line and a circle. See, a circle is given. A line, it cuts at two places, right? The circle passing through a new circle which passes through the intersection of these two. That is, through these 2 points. You can draw, or with this as diameter, you can draw a circle, right? You can draw a circle. What's the equation of that circle? This is the formula. How to remember it easily, no? Circle, this is circle's equation, right? I'm taking that in short, I'm taking the circle's equation as, say, S equal to 0. The left side fully together, we take it as what? S equal to 0. And the line's equation, this is line's equation. I'm taking that as L equal to 0. So circle's equation is S equal to 0. Line's equation is L equal to 0. The equation of circle passing through the intersection of these two is S plus lambda L equal to 0. That's what you have written here. S, the left side of circle, plus lambda into L. L is the left side form, left side of the line, equal to 0. Then there is an unknown. What's unknown? Lambda. To find lambda, they give some condition. Okay. So that's all the formula. But some of the previous results, you need just to recall that. Everything you know. Area of a circle, what's the formula? Pi r square, square units. Circumference, 2 pi r. Concentric circles. What's the meaning of concentric circles? Circles having the same center but different radius, right? Same center but different radius are called what? Concentric circles. So distance for everything we discussed already. And one more thing we need. Suppose if they give 3 equations in x, y and z. So one of the 5-mark question we have. So that type is very important here. You know how to solve simultaneous equation, right? Simultaneous equation, how to solve, you know. That is, with 2 variables it will be easy, right? If 3 variables are given, you cannot use Cramer's rule and all. Even if you want, you can use it. But it will take a lot of time. Suppose when you have 3 equations in x, y, z. Suppose you have 3 equations in x, y and z. Right side is need not be 0. Some constants, okay? Right side is some constant. Some constant. So first equation, second equation, third equation. So we have 3 equations in x, y, z. How to solve algebraically? Elimination method. So here what's the method, you know? Using 1 and 2. Eliminate any one letter. Please listen very carefully. It's a very important thing. Because we notice there is a 5-mark question. So first they give some conditions and all. So using that, first you have to find 3 equations. So after finding the 3 equations, you have to solve it. Many students, they find the equation, but solving they make mistake. So listen very carefully. So 3 equations you have in x, y, z. You solve 1 and 2. Eliminate any one letter. Any one letter, that's your choice. You see the coefficients and all and decide. Either you can eliminate x or y or z. For example, you are eliminating z. So from 1 and 2, you are eliminating, for example, z you are eliminating. Okay, now either you subtract or add. You can eliminate z. You will get a new equation in which you have only x and y. That time take it as equation number 4. Now, you must take the equation which you have not used so far. So we used only 1 and 2, right? So now you must take the third equation and any one of the other 2. What are the other two? 1 and 2, right? So third and first or third and second, eliminate the same letter what you eliminated earlier. The earlier which letter eliminated? Z. So there it is optional. You can decide. You can eliminate Z or X or Y. But now you must use the same letter what you eliminated there. If you eliminated Z there, now also you must eliminate Z. Eliminate Z. For that you must use the third one. With third, you take either first equation or second equation. Third and 1 or 2. Third and 1 or third and 2. You eliminate the same letter, you will get one more equation in X and Y. That is equation number 5. Now this 4 and 5, you see, you have two equations in X and Y. You can solve it. So solve 4 and 5. When you solve 4 and 5, you can find the values of what? X and Y. Once you know X and Y, to find Z, you can substitute in any one of the first three equations. Okay? You know X and Y, substitute, you will get the value of Z also. So that's all the theory part. Hope you understood all these. You have to go through this once again. Okay, watch the video one more time. Take notes. So we are giving notes, but you have to write it. Okay, you write, so it will be easy for you. Okay, the later example sums, everything, I want you to do that. There are some sums in different method. Okay, some different, but theory part I explained everything. So immediately you work out the example sums also. Okay, so now I'm going to take few sums from the exercise. Look at this question. First, let us do the second sum, then we'll come back. See the second sum. Find the equation of the circle. Find the equation of the circle. So now you recall, right? Equation of the circle they asked. We didn't read the question fully. Find the equation of circle means immediately in your mind the two formulas should come. There are two types, right? In one they give center and radius. Another one they give the two endpoints of the diameter, right? Now let us see what is given in this question. Find the equation of circle with center 2, minus 1. Center is given. So center is 2, minus 1. And passing through. So this is like this, right? See, center is given. Center is 2, minus 1. Center is 2, minus 1. It passes through some point given 3, 6. So radius is not given, right? So you have to find the radius. So you have to find R, or you find R square. Because the formula we are going to use what? X minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to R square, right? So you find R square. Same distance formula, but no need to use what? Square root. So x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So 3 minus 2, hope you understood. 3 minus 2 the whole square plus 6 minus 1 plus 1 the whole square. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 square is 1. 7 square 49. So you are getting 50. So now we know R square. Center, you know, center is our h and k, right? So you can write now equation of circles. Equation of circle is x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to R square. Substitute and simplify. X minus h is 2 the whole square plus y minus k value minus 1. So minus plus 1 the whole square equal to R square. R square itself 50. Don't put 50 square now, right? Because R square only we are finding here, it is 50. Now just to simplify the LHS, a minus b the whole square, right? So it is a square minus 2ab 4x plus b square. Here y square plus 2ab 2y plus b square. Bring that 50 to the left side. Minus 50 is equal to 0. Now simplify. You are getting x square plus y square minus 4x plus 2y. Constant terms you see 4 plus 1 5. 5 minus 50, it is minus 45 equal to 0. Sometimes they give center and radius directly. You can do that. Here radius is not given. Instead of that they given a point on the circumference. Now let us go for the first question. Obtain the equation of the circles. Obtain the equation of the circles, plural form given, right? With radius 5 centimeter and touching x-axis at the origin. Radius 5 centimeter but touching x-axis at the origin. See, x-axis at the origin means actually you are getting, sometimes you make some mistakes. See, we may think like that. This is the only one we may think. Obtain the equation circle with radius 5 centimeter and touching x-axis at the origin. So this is one. Touching x-axis at the origin only, no? Right? Radius is 5 units. Can you tell me this point? Radius is 5 units, so this length is 5. The point lies on which axis? The point lies on y-axis. So x-coordinate is what? 0. Say like that, same way you will have a point, a circle below also. Right? Okay, so you may have two circles. So read the question, equation of the circles. Okay, so you have to be very careful in this one. Radius 5 centimeter touching x-axis. So same way if they ask touching y-axis means, so if they ask you to touching y-axis means one circle here, another circle is here. Are you able to understand? So they can ask question that way also. Okay, so two equations you have to find, but for both of them, radius is what? 5 units. So I'm taking the first one. What is the center? What is this point? The point lies on y-axis, so x-coordinate is 0. Radius is 5, so 0, 5. When you do the second part on y-axis only, so x-coordinate is 0. But here minus 5. The length is 5 only, but it is below, right? So it is 0, minus 5. Okay, so two circles. Let us do one by one. So for the first case, the center is 0, 5 and the radius is 5 unit. So x minus h the whole square, x minus 0 the whole square, plus y minus k, 5 the whole square equal to r square. R square means 5 square. When you simplify, x square plus y minus 5 the whole square, expand it, a square, that is y square, minus 2ab, 10y plus 25, equal to 5 square also 25. Both the sides you cancel 25. So what's your final answer? X square plus y square minus 10y equal to 0. This is the answer for one part, one circle. And one more, for that one, the center is 0, minus 5, but radius is 5 units. Okay, radius is 5 units. So what is equation of that circle? X minus h the whole square plus y minus 5 plus 5. You have to be very careful. The whole square equal to r square. That is 5 square 25. Again you simplify, x square, x minus 0, 0 leave it. Y plus 5 the whole square, y square plus 10y plus 25 equal to 25. Again cancel 25 on both sides. So x square plus y square plus 10y equal to 0. So when you write the final answer, you write both x square plus y square minus 10y equal to 0 and x square plus y square plus 10y equal to 0. Sums are very, very easy only. Okay, but the theory part you study thoroughly. Once you're thorough with the theory part, sums you can do very easily. Okay, so don't learn the sums first. Learn all the theory part. So I taught only few sums today, but I taught the entire theory part. So once you know all the theory part, when a sum comes, you read the question, see what is given, what we want to find. Then you, from the lot of formula what you studied, you select the formula, which formula will be applicable here. So learn one formula, do that sum, that is nothing. Learn everything. Now take the sums. Try to do that. If you develop that skill, you can answer any question. We'll see you next class.